In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email in Todoist. Whether you've switched email providers, need to update your account information, or just want to keep your Todoist notifications centralized, this is an easy process. So, let's dive right in, and by the end, you'll have your new email set up and ready to go. Start by heading to your Todoist homepage, your main hub where you manage all your tasks and projects. From there, you want to navigate to the top left of your screen where you'll see your profile picture or icon. Click on that. This will bring up a menu with several options. Next, look for the Settings option and click it. This is where you can personalize and make changes to various aspects of your account. Once you're in the settings, direct your attention to the option labeled Account or a similar tab, depending on any recent UI updates. What you're looking for is a choice that says Change Email. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your new email. Make sure you type it accurately to avoid any issues later on. It's always a good idea to double-check your entries here. Once you've entered your new email address, Todoist will request you to retype it to confirm. This step ensures that there aren't any typos that could disrupt your access later. Carefully re-enter the new email address as prompted. Next, you will need to authenticate this update by typing in your current password. This step is crucial for the security of your account, ensuring that only you can make such changes. After you've entered your password, go over everything one more time to ensure there are no mistakes. If everything looks good and you're confident in your entries, click on Change Email. At this point, your Todoist should update your account with the new email address. You might receive a confirmation email in your new inbox to validate this change. If prompted, be sure to follow the additional instructions provided to complete the validation process. And there you have it. Changing your email in Todoist is really as straightforward as that. Remember to keep your new email address and password secure to maintain the integrity of your account. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more empowered to make adjustments in your Todoist account whenever necessary. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.